Best known food in provinces of the Philippines. Cebu lechon. Every Filipino celebration would be incomplete without a gleaming, deep red, fully roasted pig placed in the middle of the meal. Lechon is the name of this famous Filipino dish. The Central Visayan Region's province of Cebu is acknowledged nationally as the greatest location for it. Pampanga sisig. For Filipinos, a chilled bottle of beer goes perfectly with chopped up pig's face served on a scorching hot platter, despite the fact that many may find this idea odd. In the Central Luzon province of Pampanga, this reimagined sisig recipe is reported to have started in a little cafe along train lines. This culinary innovation is credited to Lucia Cunanan, although many have since imitated her, giving the well-known dish their own unique spins. Ilocos Bagnet. Ilocos area in the north is where many Filipinos get their food fix. There are Ilocos empanadas, longanisas, and pinakpet, but their bagnet is one of the most delicious. Pork belly, deep fried to a beautiful crisp, is the main ingredient in this delicious dish. Bacolod inasal. Chicken inasal from the Negros Island region city of Bacolod is legendary. Grilled chicken. First, since inasal originated there, and second, because no one else has mastered the techniques even after the dish gained widespread fame. Instead of the standard soy sauce marinade, the marinade for this juicy and incredibly delicious variation of grilled chicken is a vinegar calamansi blend. After that, it is grilled over charcoal and served on a stick. Bicol laing. The spiciest food in the Philippines is from the Bicol region. Due to the preference of Bicolanos for a really strong kick, practically everything, even ice cream, includes chile. Because there are so many coconut trees in the region, Bicolanos also love to use gata in their diet. Laing is one of their most well-known dishes, which has gained widespread popularity among Filipinos. Laing is essentially taro leaves that have been carefully cooked in coconut milk and served with chilies. Batangas bulalo. Batangas province is a short commute away from Metro Manila. This province, located in the Conchis Calabarzon region, is well known for its delectable bulalo, beef bone marrow soup. The beef is slow cooked to fall off the bone tenderness in this incredibly delicious soup. The thrill of eating this dish is prodding the marrow from the bone, or even better, sucking it out. On a chilly, wet day, this Filipino comfort food bowl is unrivaled.